All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to a beautiful, beautiful song here from Novo Amor called Copathetic. All right, so we will work with bar chords here for this song, but it fits guitar very, very well. And the challenge here could be the actual bar chords, to have them throughout the song, but also the rhythm, because it changes right in the middle of the song to a completely different string pattern. We'll come to that, but first we'll go over the chords. So like I said, bar chords only. So we'll start with the G sharp. You bar all strings there on the 4th fret, and then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. That's a G sharp. Then go over to this position here at the A sharp minor chord. You have to bar now the 6th fret over all strings, and then you need to add 8 on A and 8 on D. That's the A sharp minor. Then we'll go over to this position. That's the F sharp. Looks like the G sharp, exactly the same grip, just 2 frets away from your body like this. When you land with the index finger, you bar the 2nd fret there, all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Okay, so that's the 3 chords for the first part of the song. Then we need to throw in the C sharp sus version. And that's a bar chord on the 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, just the 5 strings below there. And then you need to add 6 on D and 6 on G string. And there we have the chords needed for this song. All right, so we'll look at the first part here. So the chord progression there goes G sharp to A sharp minor to F sharp. Okay, so the string pattern is a little bit different. It goes like this with the G sharp. So it's first 3 downs. Here I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings and the 3rd more down here on the higher notes. So then a short pause, and then you do 2 ups. You don't have to go full ups like this, just turn your wrist 2 times on the higher notes again still. So that is 1 string around. So 1, 2, 3, pause, up, up, 1, 2, 3, up, up. All right, so the chord progression is G sharp 1 string around, A sharp minor 1, and then F sharp 2. So it goes. So that is how you play till exactly 2 minutes into this song. All right. If you want, you can also throw in a couple notes there. If you listen in the intro of this song, you have this little melody there. You play that in the end of the F sharp. So if you want to throw that in, you're gonna time it to play it after. Let's say you play 1 full string round of F sharp, and then you start the second string round there in the F sharp. You play the first 3 downs, and then instead of playing the 2 ups, you throw in this little part there, and that will be 1st fret on D string. Then I hammer on the 3rd fret, D string. Then I pick the 1st G string. I also pick the 1st B string, and I hammer on the 2nd B. So 1st D, 3rd D, 1st G, 1st B, 2nd B. And what I do there to have it faster and will be more fluent, it will be with a bar there on the 1st fret. So I bar it from the D string and down, so I get all the 1st frets on both the D, G, and the B string because I need them. So I just goes quickly like that, and then back on track with the G sharp. So that is how I handle the first parts with that rhythm and that strumming. Then from 2nd minute until the very end, you have the chord progression F sharp to the C sharp sus version, up to the G sharp and over to A sharp minor, and then back again. And then you have that chord progression until the very end. Now we have a strumming pattern that's completely different, and we have it chopped into two different parts. So we're going to look at the transition here from the first two chords, from F sharp to the C sharp. Okay, so it goes like this: down, 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 up on the F sharp. That's part one. So it goes down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. Then you shift to next chord, in this case the C sharp, and play part two, which is down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. That is the second part. And then you play and apply the same principle for the next two chords. So the G sharp, you play that in the same way as the F sharp. Down, 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 up, part one. And then you slide over to the A sharp minor and play that in the same way as the C sharp. Down, up, down, 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 up. So one chord progression round will be like this, a little bit slower. And in tempo, a little bit faster, it goes. Perhaps that was a bit faster than the original tempo, I'm not sure there, but anyway, that's how you play it. And that is what you're going to play till the very end of Novo Amor's Pathetic. What a nice and beautiful song there. Has a great kind of vibe in this song here, calmness and all that good stuff that they usually have. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful, and leave me a like if you like this tutorial. Till next time, play tuned.